Welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Garage, where today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the LB WORKS F40 from Star Models. Now, these models are the ones on the premium base. You can get ones on regular plastic bases, which you will see in the future as well. But for now, we're doing the premium style packaging, and as you can see straight away, the box nice and premium, the Ferrari red with the LB WORKS logo and the F40 on the front, nice and glistening, the LB WORKS F40. And like I say, the box feels nice and premium in hand. It comes with a nice cleaning cloth, and as you can see, some decals you can apply if you want to, as well as a little metal stick, which you will see is needed for the model a little bit later on. I should have used the cloth to wipe the marks off the top of the box, but I didn't really think, and that's just because I've handled this model before to take some pictures for the Facebook group and the Facebook page. But as you can see, unboxed, it comes in a nice clear acrylic case, or acrylic base should I say. There is a film that is on the underneath which does stop it from being completely clear, but if you do peel that off, you can see it's completely clear and a really nice premium way to display the model, with the LB WORKS F40 on the front, nice and premium. Now, the colour on this model is arguably the best colour I've ever seen on any diecast that I have unboxed or had in hand. The colour shift from purple to green or green to purple is absolutely phenomenal. It really caught me off guard when I first ever unboxed this model. The level of detail is also absolutely incredible. You can see on the rear, it's got the mesh on the back to show into the engine, and as you saw there, the back does open up, which we will get to a little bit later on. Now underneath, you can just see two screws holding it together, so if you did want to wheel swap it, is very easy. You can see the interior is fairly detailed as well, with the red bucket seats standing out against the purple or the chameleon purple to green colour change. The headlights also nicely detailed and nicely premium with a good amount of detail. The nice deep dish wheels on the back look really cool. I would maybe like to see a different colour than black, as it does hide the wheel unfortunately, but nonetheless it's still really cool and looks very cool with the deep dish wheels, like I say. Now, like I said, the back does open up and it's got an incredible amount of detail in the rear of the model, which this is where the little metal pole comes in, as it holds the back of the engine or the engine hatch open, so you can display it with the engine out, which is really cool. The level of detail is absolutely phenomenal, and like I say, that colour change is spectacular. The gold for the exhausts, the detail on the overall engine, the red in the engine bay, again, really nice and premium. And the back of the model in general is nice and premium too. Like I say, the see-through mesh to see the engine when the hatch is closed. Like I say, the level of detail on that engine is absolutely phenomenal, and it's something that I'm super impressed with overall with this model. And I was just super impressed with the paintwork as well. Really nicely applied, very well detailed, and proportionally absolutely excellent. Here you can see that colour shift a bit better from the green to the purple, even little bits of black in there as well. Just absolutely phenomenal. It's got carbon fibre accents on the splitter and also the wing as well. Again, really nicely done, and then red seats really do complement it well, with the red in the engine to match. Really cool. It sits nice and low, nice and slammed. The wide body arches aren't too big, and overall it's a really premium feeling model. Like I say, you can get these on the regular base as well, which is just a standard black plastic base, just like you've seen in other videos of mine in the past. But I do really like this premium style packaging. If you are intended on keeping it in the packaging, obviously we unbox everything here, but if you do want to keep it in the packaging, I recommend the premium style, as it's really cool. And like I say, you get a dust proof cloth as well. It does come with decals you can apply to the side if you do want to. I prefer the all sleek look without the decals, but if that is your thing, you can do that if you do want to. The premium style packaging is a little bit more expensive. It's around £10 more expensive, around the £35 mark instead of the £25. But in my opinion, I definitely recommend it.